So far we've modeled the tabletop, the lower shelf, and also the legs, and in this lecture we will model all of the aprons, which are these parts here. So let's go on a new design, and let's start with the long apron first. So there are 4 of these in our final assembly. These are the dimensions here, so feel free to model this yourself. Let's hit C on the keyboard. We're going to draw this on the YZ plane. Press R on the keyboard, start at the origin. I'm going to type in 25, so 1 inch, press tab, 75 mil, so that's 3 inch, press enter. Let's then press extrude, and we're going to extrude this by distance as per the drawing of 1550, press OK. On the home view, going to hit A on the keyboard, and let's apply the same appearance, 3D Pine, close. Let's save that part. We'll call that apron long, click save. And now let's do the short aprons. So new design. These are the dimensions here. So again, feel free to model these yourself. Hit C on the keyboard, and in this case we're going to go for the XZ plane. R on the keyboard, rectangle, start at the origin, 25 by 75. E on the keyboard, extrude, distance here 500, enter. Go on the home view, appearance. We'll apply the same appearance, drop that in, press close, and we'll save that and call it short aprons. Okay, nice and easy. And then in the final lecture next, we'll model the braces before we complete the entire assembly. So I'll see you there.